Good morning, second graders. Today we are on page 292 of your student journal, and we are on Unit 13, Lesson 8. So we have been working on picture graphs and bar graphs. Today we're going to take those two ideas and put them into one lesson. Okay, so our objective or our goal today is I will draw picture graphs and bar graphs to represent the data and answer questions about the data. So we're really not doing anything brand new today. We're just going to be doing both things in one lesson. So if we look at our vocabulary, they show us an example of a horizontal bar graph. Remember, bar graphs could also be vertical with our bars going up and down. And then they remind us what a picture graph is because we haven't seen one of these for a while. So our steps today are, I am going to read or gather the data, draw and label the graph, whatever kind of graph they're asking me, make a key if needed, fill in my data, and then use my data and graph to answer some questions. Okay, so I'm going to get started, ladies and gentlemen, on my problem with my red pen. And here is my question. Use the horizontal bar graph below to answer the questions about the data. So again, it's a bar graph because there's bars, and the bars are horizontal. And the title is Books Read. My categories are Jordan, Valerie, and Carlos. I'm guessing those are students. And here is the number of books read. This is my scale. Okay, so let's answer some questions. How many books did Jordan and Valerie read all together? Okay, all together tells me I'm going to be adding. So Jordan's bar goes all the way to the 7. Valerie's bar goes all the way to the 10. So together, Jordan and Valerie read 17 books. Okay, how many more books did Valerie read than Carlos? So how many more tells me I'm going to be subtracting. Well, Valerie read 10 books. Carlos read 8 books. So my equation is going to say 10 take away or subtract 8 equals 2. Okay, let's look at my next part. Use the same data to draw, label, and fill in your own picture graph. Then answer the questions about the graph. Okay, so I know a picture graph still needs a title. So I can say books read. I still need categories in a picture graph. So I'm going to have, my categories are going to be my students, Jordan, Valerie, and Carlos. My picture graph needs a key, and I need to decide on a picture. I might just my picture graph might have a happy face because it makes me happy when students read. So every happy face is equal to 1 book. Hopefully they had a happy face when they read their book too. Okay, so Jordan read 7 books, so I need to give Jordan 7 happy faces. Maybe like stickers on a chart. Some of you have probably seen those in classrooms, that you get happy face stickers when you finish something. Okay, Valerie read 10 books, so Valerie gets 10 happy faces. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. And Carlos read 8. So Carlos gets 8 happy faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now we can answer our questions. How many books did Carlos and Jordan read all together? All together, that's our addition idea. Well, Carlos read 8. I'm going to do it here where I have more room. Jordan read 7. So 8 plus 7 is 15. How many fewer books did Jordan read than Valerie? How many fewer tells me I'm going to be subtracting. Okay, so Jordan read 7 and Valerie read 10. So it's going to be 10 take away 7 equals 3. Okay, so let's try some together, ladies and gentlemen. We're on page 293. And our problem says, use the picture graph below to answer the questions about the data. Favorite ice cream flavor is our title. Our categories are vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and mint chip. And our key says it's probably supposed to look like a cone, equals 1 vote. Okay, how many people like vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry all together? Ooh, all together. They want us to add. So how many people like vanilla? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many like chocolate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many like strawberry? 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's a lot to add. I would probably say 6 and 9 I know is 15. Because if I take 1 away from the 6 and add it to the 9, I get a 5 and a 10. So 15 plus 3 is 18. Let's look at our next question. How many more people like like chocolate than strawberry? How many more tells me I'm going to subtract. Well, how many did we have like chocolate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And only 3 people like strawberry. So 9 take away 3 equals 6. Okay. Now they want us, it says, use the same data to draw, label, and fill in your own vertical bar graph. Then answer the questions about the graph. So our title could still be the same. Favorite ice cream, and I might not fit flavor, so I might just say favorite ice cream. Okay, our scale is 1 to 9, and here we could say like number of votes maybe. Number of votes. And then our flavors are our categories. So we might just do our letters because there's not a lot of room. Vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, and mint chip. I know which one I would vote for. I would actually vote for all of them. Okay, so ready? We're going to do a vertical bar graph. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vanillas. So our bar needs to go up to the 6. Let's color that in. Okay, chocolate, I've counted that so many times that I remember it's 9 because I counted it for my last problem. It goes all the way up to the 9. Okay, strawberry, we have 3. And mint chip, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our bar needs to go all the way up to the 8. Okay, and now we're ready to answer some questions. How many people like mint chip and chocolate all together? Remember, all together means add. So mint chip, we had 8. Chocolate, we had 9. And 8 plus 9 is 17. Because I take 1 away from the 8 to make this a 10, and then that leaves 7 there. How many fewer people like strawberry than vanilla? So how many fewer means we're going to subtract. Well, vanilla there were 6, and strawberry there was 3. So 6 minus 3, or take away 3, equals 3. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, you have some problems to do on your own. This is our very last lesson together, second graders. I have enjoyed being part of your learning while you've been home, and I would just like to tell you thank you for participating in my math. Have a great, great day. Goodbye.